Man, there's a whole lot of count biggers off frequency today. Now count bigger light switch off frequency. Man, there's a whole lot of you count biggers off. Hey, Strong Boss, he off frequency. Light switch a little off frequency. And that dump plucking count bigger 61, he's just off in the head. He's just off in the head. The clown on the west side is clear and gone. Light switch. Unless this frequency counter on this Cobra 2000 and this external frequency counter and this count bigger number 6 in my band ain't count bigger, I ain't off. Hey, hello to your light switch, the cloud getting down. He's scared of himself, though. Hey, $5 radio. I mean, light switch, he's scared of himself. Hey, light switch, he's scared of himself there, buddy. From time to time, it get like that, man. Hey, from time to time, it get like that. But I ain't scared to key this cabin bigger there. 410? Well, I'm gonna ease out here, man. I'm gonna ease out here. I just want to talk for my birthday. I'm gonna shut this cabin bigger down, man. I've been running y'all live in Power Talk anyway. So everybody got to hear me hooping and hollering and screaming in the microphone all day long for my birthday, and not even get my name called. Bubba, down on y'all later. The clown on the west side won't be back up 10-7.
Today was my 44th birthday too, nigga. Hey, over the clown, 63.
Hey, Light Switch, I got that old Cat Daddy key down out of the Razorback. That cat big, I don't know, he's saying hello to the west side. He's trying to get my radio cut off too. I guess these uppluggers just whooping my head today for my birthday. You say your 44th birthday today too? Yeah. I was born in 1963. The clown on the west side is clear. Hey, Cat Daddy. Hey, Cat Daddy, it's 63, a homie the clown. Hey, Cat Daddy, it's 63, a homie the clown. I know you're used to them cat houses, Captain Biggin. You still probably got some of them juices in your eyeballs and your ears and you can't hear well. Hey, Cat Daddy, ain't nobody but 63, the clown on the west side getting down.
Yeah, I know. Everybody on the west side gonna be down. I just want to say happy birthday to you.
Hey, Cat Daddy, I appreciate it too, man. I appreciate it, man. I can't say I've been having fun on 27.025, but I've been having fun. Tomorrow may be my day. If it is, I'm going to abuse them Captain Biggins like they did me today. Hey, Cat Daddy, bump it down on you later. The clown out west is clear. I don't know if you go to Power Talk, man, but we got a GoFundMe going on, man. We got a GoFund him. It's not a GoFund me, it's a GoFund him. We doing a GoFund him for Black Boy. He in Florida around the pork and beans living in a homeless shelter, or as they call it, an abandoned house. He named it a homeless shelter. He needs some shoes. He wearing mix-max shoes, and he got some girl tights on. He wearing mix-max shoes, and he got some girl tights on. We need somebody to help us get Black Boy some relief there. 410? Yeah, 410, man. 61 keyed in there made it real rough, man. Hey, 61 keyed in there made it a real had that rough that time, man. But we can get some of that kind of bigger relief, man. Come in Power Talk. Or y'all can give it to Small Driver. He'll get it to him. If y'all get it to Small Driver, he'll get it to him. And he don't care if they're women clothes, and you can get him a woman pocketbook, too. He don't mind carrying one of them. If you get him a woman pocketbook, he can keep his belongings in it. There are you? Well, the jeans he wearing ain't got no back pockets in them. It's because the jeans he wearing ain't got no back pockets in them. He said, hey, I ain't gonna say that. He said he like wearing them jeans with no back pockets in them. Them black jeans, they're 410.
There's no doubt about that.
Mother Nature done fall out, man. Mother Nature done fell out, man, but that made my day. I was able to get that fire off. The clown on the west side is 10-6. Hey, Cat Daddy, don't go in no cat house with Bread Man at 61. Hey, Cat Daddy, whatever you do, don't go in no cat house with Bread Man at 61. I'm going to leave it at that. The clown on the west side is clear.
That's the reason nobody used to happy birthday, because you That's the reason you not getting no happy birthday, which is because you left it. Get your butt out of there. Over the car.
I got some happy birthdays. What you talking about, man? Urban Queen wish me happy birthday. She in the room. Twin wish me happy birthday. Jelly Bean, Black Ice. Hey, Captain Bigger, I got a whole lot of happy birthdays, Captain Bigger. Hey, I'm well loved in the room. I can't help because they don't like you. Hey, 61, I can't help because they don't like you. I'm back quiet. Hey, Breadman told me to tell you. Let me read what Breadman said. He said 61 is finally getting his name called. Breadman typed in the room, and King Tuck, he 10-folded that he said Breadman finally got. Black Boy just came in the room. Hey, 61, somebody just called Black Boy. Black Boy just eased up in the room. There, 410?
Yeah, because you were talking about it. That's the reason you eased up in there. You know how they'll make a phone call in a minute. But Breadman ain't no CB. What Breadman talking about? Breadman ain't no CB.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Since we ain't no Breadman, I wasn't talking about. Oh yeah, I did talk about him. I said the most interesting man in Power Talk that always got all the knowledge is Black Boy. And I like the way Black Boy come in here and he spread that knowledge that Grandma gave him. That 410?
Yeah, 410 don't spread knowledge that Grandma gave him. I don't pay that much attention to Black Boy. I didn't know he was spreading no knowledge. Yeah, 410.
Wait a minute. Hold on, man. Foot keeps slipping. Hold on, let me adjust these pedals. Hold on. All right, there we go. Hey, wait a minute, man. What you mean he don't be spreading no knowledge? That dumb plug spread plenty of knowledge there, 410?
Well, why his knowledge got a smell to it? Hey, why does his knowledge got a smell to it? It's called BS, 410.
Wait a minute. What do you mean? What you mean? Hold on, man. Oh, shoot, wait a minute. I turned my variable down too much. I thought something was wrong. I turned my variable down too far. It's kind of big was swinging too much. Let me turn this carrier up. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Hey, I was having problems with these foot pedals, but I turned my carrier too far down there. 410?
Yeah, you talking about having a problem with a foot pedal. You don't everybody tell everybody you got hooves. You don't have feet. You got hooves like a goat. That's the reason you couldn't hit the foot pedal. 410.
Wait a minute. Why is this kind of big talking about? Why is he talking about tell 61 to go kiss his boyfriend? He said go kiss his boyfriend all power.
You say tell him to do what? What did he say?
He told me to go tell you to kiss your boyfriend all power. Black Boy typed in the room to go kiss your boyfriend all power there, 410?
Oh, he wanted you. 63, 63, what you all about here, 63, low school, brother? Get on Key's girlfriend there, 410.
Hey, light switch key down, man. Hey, light switch key down. Cut your radio clean off, man. Hey, he cut the fire clean off. All we got was Captain Big and you said something about Ghetto. Ghetto's his girlfriend. You said there, 410.
That's your girlfriend, Black Boy is. I think that's 63 light switch you brought out.
Is who birthday light switch? Is who birthday break?
My 44, my 44 birthday too, you know yours. My 44 birthday too, I'm back quiet and gone.
Yeah, 410, man. Will you tell your 44 whether it be a male or female that I said happy birthday? I said happy birthday to him, and I always remember that there, 410.
All right, we sure back quiet, I will.
That kind of bigger try to hit a little switch like he doing something. He surged up in there. He hit a little switch like he doing something. All right, light switch, bump it down on you later, man. I'ma ease out of here. 61, I'ma ease out of here. I had my fun. Y'all know who it is, the clown on the west side. I had to eat the scraps today. I'm back quiet. And that'll allow you, light switch, man. I forgot. Hey, what's the MJ told me happy birthday to 2. And who else in here? DBI up in this Captain Bigger, man. Let me see. It's a whole lot of Captain Biggers up here in Power Talk. Now, let me we got in the room so we finish talking. We're going to finish talking about Black Boy. We're going to finish talking about Black Boy and P. Diddy. They're 410? Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. You come on back here before you get out of here. So you tell me, hold on, Black Boy told me he was the baddest thing moving out of Florida. Like, Switch, what you talking about there, Blake?
He's the biggest motherfucker in Florida. That's what he be. He be a black motherfucker. That's what he is.
One said he a black mud duck, and the other one said he a Super Bowl weenie. He said he a Super Bowl weenie. Hey, Black Boy, you hear this? I'm running y'all live in Power Talk. I'm back quiet.
I ain't lying. Hey, Mr63, I ain't lying. You a black motherfucker. I ain't talking that smack what it used to be. Well, I could used to be a millionaire.
Well, Light Switch, so you saying this boy just dreaming, man? Hey, Light Switch, you saying this boy just doing a whole lot of dreaming there, Blake?
That's what he's doing. Somebody needs to slap him right across the forehead and make him wake up. Hey, 63, somebody needs to slap him right across the forehead and make him wake up. 63, I'm cold.
Well, you know he down around the pork and beans now, man. He down in Florida around the pork and beans, man. This an old abandoned house down there, man. That at one time it was a mansion, but now it's just an old abandoned house, and they use it for the homeless shelter for when it rained. But Black Boy went and put some furniture in that Captain Bigger, man, and he lit some candles, and he burned half of it down because he fell asleep with them candles lit there, right?
Yeah, that doesn't cover up with sheetrock now. Hey, 63, he used sheetrock for cover. I'm back quiet.
Ain't no more sheetrock, man. Ain't no more. He peeled all the sheetrock off, and he was out there acting like he was selling something. He peeled all the sheetrock out, cut it up, and he acted like he was out there selling something there, right?
Yeah, he tried to take that sheetrock, try to use it for crack. He tried to sell sheetrock for crack. That's what he tried to do. I'm cold.
And you know Straw Boss down in Captain Big and you know Straw Boss you know Straw Boss down in Florida, he was smoking some of that, man. He was smoking some of that, and one day he was in there and telling us a story, and he got so high off that sheetrock, he thought his technician was working on his radio naked there, right? The funny part, when he was telling the story, he acted like he was kind of enjoying that, man. I thought, wait a minute, hold on. If I was sitting here and I thought Captain Big was naked working on my radio, I have an issue with that, man, a major problem. But he acted like he was kind of excited about telling that story, and he was so excited, he told it 3 or 4 times. There, 410?
You might need to watch that, Captain. Hey, 63, you might need to keep one of them cockeyes on that Captain Big and you're back quiet.
I don't think he's strange, man. I don't think he's strange, right? I just think that whatever that Black Boy gave him, man, and he put in that little glass thing, man, just had him hallucinating there, right?
Well, you know that she's all the cloud is mushy black plugger. I'm back quiet. You feeling like you doing some LSD?
Hey, let me ask you a question, man. What do you think about a Captain Bigger, man? Captain Bigger used to call you every day, check on you, see how you was doing, man, and, you know, you call him, see how he doing, and, you know, how the family doing and all that, man, and, you know, the Captain Bigger stopped calling me, man. Old Small Driver used to call me at least every other day, man, see how I was doing, check on me. I used to check on that Captain Bigger, man. That plugger went out and bought him a 2020 Volvo. He got a brand new 720, 700 or whatever the brand name of that Captain Bigger, 2020 Volvo. He was the first one ever folding the seats, and they Captain Bigger don't even know how to call nobody no more. What's worth that light switch, that brake? That's the uppity room, man. That's the uppity room, man. And then he was so happy, he let everybody out of jail. He had everybody in jail in Power Talk, and now he happy again. He let everybody out of jail, and he don't even show up no more. See, that's what happened with them Captain Biggers, man. They get a little change in their pocket, and they forget about their friends. That's why they say they change is strange. They the strangers, they're right.
Yeah, boy, I'm just trying to tell you something, nigga. When you got things going on, you don't have time for your friends no more. Now you think you got more important things to do than food.
Yeah, 410. Oh, now you want to call me now. Now you want to call me now. Yeah, hold on. Let me put him on the speakerphone. Let me see what he want to call me now. He want to be uppity. Because he want to call me now because I called his mom and told on him. What you want, man? What you want? Huh? Now you want to call me. Now you want to call me. Listen there. Now, first of all, I ain't your buddy. They told me, nine of them told me what a good buddy is. And me and you ain't good, and you ain't my buddy there. 410?
You better hang up the phone. Hey, you better hang that damn phone up on that.
Yeah, see, now you want to call me. I'm his friend now. I'm his friend now because I done exposed him. Oh, yeah, he done hung up. I'm his friend because I done exposed him now. 410? She ain't dropping out, man. I bumped it down, man. But Light Switch, bump it down on you later, man. You know who it is, the clown on the west side, running you live in Power Talk, talking about these mud ducks. Hey, boy, let me see who else in this Captain Bigger, man. I can go down the line, man. This is my talk show right now. All right, Light Switch, I don't see nobody else in here, man, so I'm going to let the band roll on. Hey, Light Switch, the clown on the west side is 10 South.
Light switch in the black bones and lights out of bones.
Hey, you know I'm trying to go 10-7, man. Did I see 711? Oh, I think old golden numbers in there, man. Hello to you, golden numbers, if you in this kind of bigger man, and blessings to you and the family as well. Hey, 61. Hey, 61. Who else you want to talk about in this kind of bigger Power Talk, man? I don't want to talk about Pee-wee, man. That duck plucker wrote me a long letter, man. He wrote me a long letter for exposing that he's a real homosexual, man. He wrote me a long letter and his feelings was hurt because I exposed to the people in the room in Power Talk that we joke a lot, but he really a homosexual there. 410? I thought he was, when he was wearing the women pocketbooks, man, we thought he grew out of it, but he didn't, man. Hey, Light Switch, you should see the way he played that piano, man. Well, he called it a guitar, but the way it sat on his belly, it looked like a piano there. 410? I heard somebody at the Light Switch got up, man. I heard somebody call Homie the Clown at the Light Switch got up, man. I'm going to ease it back, man. I had my fun, man. Them duck pluggers stood by me for my birthday. I was able to do a little jaw jacket. I'm going to ease it out of here, man, because I don't want to bore a black boy. You know, he get real bored when it comes to Captain Bigger shooting Skip, because he don't know how. Let me try to shoot Skip like him. Black, 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 black. Black, 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 black. Hey, black, black, black. Oh, the sun is black, 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 black. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Black, 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 black. Let me think of something else to say. Black, 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 black. That's all Black Boy ever did. That's the only thing I ever heard him see on the Watergate. Bump it down on y'all later, man. I'm officially 10-7. I'm shutting it down. I'll see y'all. And I will post this Watergate. I will post this Watergate. For anybody that missed the first part of this, I will post this Watergate on 27.025, your YouTube channel. That's my DC for John G and all the fallen soldiers this year. I'm 10-7. Hey, Light Switch, it'll be under 63 and Light Switch. I'm going to just put it under 63 and Light Switch. I ain't going to put 61 name in there. If I do, I'm going to put it way in the back. I'm going to hit a bunch of spaces. I'm going to put it way in the back so they won't even see it. Hey, Light Switch, I'm 10-7.
on the sand pile all the way home. You dump it on the sand pile, need to get out of my back door, 61.